Once, the chirping of the Gouraiya or the house sparrows belonging to the family Passeridae was the morning melody of our lives. Their tiny wings fluttered through courtyards, their calls echoed in bustling neighborhoods. But today, silence has replaced their songs. There was a time when the house sparrow's chirping was the heartbeat of our mornings. Today, their melodies are fading into silence. Where have our little neighbors gone? And why have we let them disappear?
These tiny, chirping birds, once a common sight in our homes and cities, are now struggling to survive in the face of rapid urbanization, habitat loss, and environmental changes.
House sparrows, Passeridae domesticus, have coexisted with humans for centuries. Their cheerful chirping was once an integral part of everyday life, filling gardens, courtyards, and streets with their presence. The bond between house sparrows and humans is not merely one of coexistence, but of profound interdependence, woven over centuries into the fabric of our shared habitats. These small yet ubiquitous birds have ingrained themselves into our urban and rural landscapes, becoming an inseparable part of our daily lives.
They play a crucial role in the ecosystem by controlling insect populations and contributing to seed dispersal. But in recent years, their numbers have plummeted. What was once a thriving species is now struggling for survival in our concrete jungles.
What happened to these cheerful little birds? The answers lie in our changing world. Several factors have contributed to the dwindling population of house sparrows. Rapid urbanization has led to the loss of traditional nesting spaces, while excessive use of pesticides in agriculture has eradicated their primary food sources, insects and grains. Additionally, pollution from various sources is believed to disrupt their communication and navigation abilities. The disappearance of native plant species and the reduction of open green spaces have also significantly impacted their survival. Every modern convenience has pushed them further away.
While the decline of sparrows is concerning, it is not irreversible. But there is hope. We can still bring them back. Small, collective efforts can help bring them back to our surroundings. By setting up sparrow corners in our homes, placing water bowls, feeding grains, and installing nest boxes, we can provide them with a safe and welcoming habitat. Urban gardening with native plants can also encourage their return.
Furthermore, spreading awareness about their plight through initiatives like World Sparrow Day ensures that more people take action to protect these birds. Every year, on March 20th, the world comes together to observe World Sparrow Day, a global initiative aimed at raising awareness about the declining population of house sparrows and the need for their conservation. The day serves as a rallying cry, calling attention to the plight of these avian companions and inspiring collective efforts to safeguard their future. By nurturing the bond between humans and sparrows, we not only preserve a cherished aspect of our natural heritage, but also reaffirm our commitment to fostering harmony within the ecosystems we share. The question is, will we answer the call? The house sparrow is more than just a bird. It is a symbol of coexistence between nature and humans. Its decline serves as a warning about the deteriorating state of our environment. We still have time to bring them back. A single step, a simple act of kindness, can restore the lost harmony, ensuring that future generations wake up to their cheerful songs. By making small changes in our daily lives, we can help restore the balance of nature and bring back the lost melody of house sparrows. Will you create a safe haven for them? Will you help house sparrows thrive again? Because they too want to be with us. Save the sparrows.